If you thought hand tools couldn't get any smarter or tougher, 2026 is about to prove you wrong. Ox Tools is rolling out a lineup that's clearly built by listening to real tradespeople. And whether you're into woodworking, framing, or electrical work, these new Ox Tools will solve every hand tool user's problem. Starting off with the Ox Pro 1-inch replaceable tip wood chisel completely changes how you think about chisel maintenance. Instead of constantly sharpening, this tool lets you swap out tips so you always have a razor-sharp edge ready to go, making it perfect for professional woodworking and framing tasks. And since extra tips are sold separately, you can keep backups ready without downtime. What makes it even more practical is the included holster, which not only stores spare tips, but also mounts directly onto tool belts and mole systems, keeping everything within reach. At the same time, the full steel tang construction runs from the tip all the way to the striking cap, delivering serious strength and durability under heavy-duty use. On top of that, the slim, ergonomic design keeps the tool lightweight while still giving you precise control, whether you're making fine cuts or working in tight tool pouches. To finish it off, the reinforced striking cap, made from glass fiber reinforced polycarbonate, won't bend over time and actually outperforms traditional steel caps. And if needed, replacement caps are available separately, which just adds to the long-term usability of this system. Next up, the Ox Pro Maxforce 9-inch linesman pliers are built to make tough jobs feel easier, especially when you're dealing with wires all day. Thanks to the patented compound action long nose design, these pliers reduce the effort required by up to 50%, which means less strain and faster work when cutting or gripping. At the core, the forged steel construction ensures these pliers can handle demanding job site conditions without compromise. Meanwhile, the induction-hardened cutting edge stays sharper for longer, consistently delivering clean and precise cuts even after extended use. And because the long, slim needle nose is designed for tight spaces, you can easily access hard-to-reach areas for threading wires or grabbing small components. In addition, the machined cross-check jaw pattern provides a stable and secure grip, so you don't have to worry about slipping during detailed work. Pair that with ergonomic injection-molded handles, and you get a tool that reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. Altogether, this makes it a versatile choice for cutting, twisting, bending, and pulling wires, especially for electricians and construction professionals. Moving into measuring innovation, the Ox Pro Speedframe isn't your typical measuring tool. It's a complete rethink of how point-to-point measurements should work. Instead of relying on flexible tape measures, this tool uses a rigid, extendable frame with a high-visibility measuring scale window, allowing you to clearly gauge distances with confidence. What really stands out is the patented twin-rail extension system, which smoothly expands from 29 inches to 48 inches without tipping or tilting. Once you've got your measurement, the steepless lock switch holds it firmly in place, making transfer and marking incredibly easy. And because it's designed to reduce inaccuracies and frustration, it becomes ideal for framing, carpentry, cabinetry, window and door installation, pipework, and even bricklaying. On top of that, the Speedframe includes 3 vials for accurate level and plumb readings, along with durable end caps, removable magnets, and a 1/2-inch hook for added functionality. Built from anodized aluminum with a CNC milled surface, it delivers precision you can trust, while the continuous scribing edge allows consistent marking even at full extension. Altogether, this tool makes measuring faster, more accurate, and far more reliable.
Then there's the Ox Ultrablade tape measure, which is clearly built to survive the toughest job site conditions. Designed from the ground up, this tape features a robust 32mm wide nylon-wrapped blade with double-sided markings, so you can read measurements easily from any angle. But what really sets it apart is the anti-tear coating, which reinforces the blade and significantly extends its lifespan compared to traditional nylon-coated tapes. And with up to 4 meters of standout, it offers impressive stability, especially when you're working alone and need that extra reach. To make things even more convenient, the powerful magnetic hook attaches securely to steel surfaces, allowing for hands-free measuring. At the same time, the ABS shockproof housing with TPR overmold ensures it can handle drops and rough use without breaking a sweat. Add in features like the wire belt clip for durability, lanyard compatibility for easy tethering, and a textured faceplate for quick scribing and erasing, and you get a tape measure that's built for real-world performance. For precision layout work, the Ox Pro 3-axis laser kit brings serious performance to the table. Right away, the high-intensity green beams stand out, delivering up to 4 times the brightness of traditional red lasers, which makes them far more visible in a variety of lighting conditions. The system projects 1 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, giving you complete coverage for alignment tasks. And with a visibility range of up to 35 meters, extendable to 50 meters using the included target, it's more than capable on large job sites. Plus, the USB-C chargeable removable batteries make it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use, and you even get 2 rechargeable batteries included. When it comes to functionality, the laser offers 3 modes: manual mode for angled use, self-leveling mode with a 4-degree range that alerts you when out of level, and pulse mode for compatibility with laser receivers. With a full charge time of 8 hours and run times of up to 35 hours on 1 line, 20 hours on 2 lines, and 12.5 hours on 3 lines, it's built to last through long work days. And thanks to its IP54 rating, it's protected against dust and water, making it reliable even in harsh job site conditions. When it comes to precision marking, the Ox Pro 1200mm Tuff Rule is designed to handle larger layouts with ease. With its 1200mm length, it's perfect for working with sheets like plywood or gyprock, while also making it easy to mark out and nail floor screw spacings at 300mm, 600mm, 900mm, and 1200mm. The 45mm width matches common 90 by 45mm framing timber, which adds to its practical usability on site. And thanks to the reinforced brass hinge and pins, the tool delivers added strength and long-term durability. At the same time, the ABS plastic keeps it lightweight while still being tough enough for demanding environments. For usability, the beveled edges make handling smoother, while the built-in angle finder spans from 0 to 180 degrees, giving you added flexibility. And with accurately marked 0.5mm increments, it ensures high-precision measurement work every time.
For demolition and prying tasks, the Ox Pro claw bar is built to be as versatile as it is durable. Featuring a hammerhead forged from high-carbon steel, it delivers the strength needed for heavy-duty nail-pulling and prying applications, all while being thoroughly job site tested. The 12-inch pry bar design, combined with a mini pry bar tip, allows you to easily access tight spaces, making it especially useful for trim molding and detailed removal work. And since it's more than just a pry bar, it also functions as a nail puller, staple remover, and trim removal tool, giving you multiple uses in a single compact design. To improve handling, the ergonomic rubber grip provides a secure, non-slip hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Meanwhile, the polished beveled claws ensure better access and precise penetration when removing nails. Available in 250mm and 300mm sizes, it's a reliable addition to any toolkit. For bricklaying precision, the Ox Pro Brick Rule combines 2 essential tools into one efficient design. Acting as both a folding rule and a brick gauge, it helps streamline layout work while maintaining accuracy. Made from durable ABS plastic, it features a stretcher bond scale up to 1200mm and supports multiple brick gauges, including 84, 85, 86, and 87. This flexibility makes it highly adaptable across different projects. Additionally, it allows you to easily set your datum height, which is crucial for consistent brick alignment. To ensure durability, the reinforced brass hinge and pins add strength, while the 80-degree angle finder expands its usability even further. Overall, it's a smart, multifunctional tool built for professionals who demand both precision and efficiency. So far, we have seen all the tools, but don't you need something to store them? Well, here's your ToolTrek storage system by Ox Tools. This storage system is designed to keep your entire setup organized and ready for action. Built with modular capabilities, it features threaded insert mounts that allow you to customize and expand your storage using plastic connectors. With a 26-liter capacity and an impressive 100-kilogram load capacity, it's more than capable of handling heavy-duty tools. At the same time, the ultra-strong reinforced construction ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions without breaking down. Mobility is also a big highlight here. Thanks to the large 9-inch rubber wheels and ergonomically designed removable telescopic handle, moving across rough terrain becomes effortless. And since job sites can get messy, the IP66 waterproof and dust-proof design means you can even jet wash the unit without worrying about water getting inside. Altogether, it's not just storage, it's a complete system built for serious professionals. That's a wrap on new Ox tools coming in 2026. Which of these tools caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and the latest in tools. Thanks for watching.